Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has categorized NIO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.39. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, showing an increase of 4.04%. This results in an average return of 1.01% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this pattern. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 16.63% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between negative 43.82% and negative 7.85%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 11.34%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 35.14% to positive 43.93% over the next year. In present terms, this would place the future price between $2.67 and $5.93. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for NIO as Stock Downgraded to Hold Accumulate. The NIO stock price fell by 1.9% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, from $4.20 to $4.12. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.96%, with a day low at $4.06 and a day high of $4.18. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 2.83% over this period. Trading volume also fell on the last day, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 15 million shares, with a total of 27 million shares exchanged for approximately $111,031,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 46.56%, or $3.59, below the 52-week high, and 93.85%, or $62.87, below the all-time high on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. Recent developments surrounding NIO highlight several key trends that could influence its stock price. As of the 13th of May, 2025, NIO is experiencing significant competition in the Chinese electric vehicle market, which is pressuring profit margins despite strong government support. This competitive landscape poses risks to NIO's market share and revenue growth, particularly as it attempts to expand internationally. However, an additional factor is the ongoing tariff negotiations between the United States and China, which seem to offer some relief for NIO compared to American automakers. NIO's lower reliance on imported parts positions it favorably, potentially mitigating tariff-related risks. Additionally, NIO's heavy investments in research and development, along with capital expenditures, may strain net income in the short term. Yet, successful scalability by late 2025 could yield significant long-term benefits. Recent trends indicate a recovery in gross profit margins for NIO and its peers, enhancing their competitive stance against U.S. firms. Notably, increases in the pricing of electric vehicles and a recovering consumer sentiment could bolster performance moving forward. The recent surge in Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index may also positively impact sentiment around Chinese stocks, including NIO, potentially leading to a price rebound. In the short term, ongoing pricing pressures and competition might impede growth, resulting in fluctuations in stock price. Conversely, strategic expansion and improved profitability metrics could fuel investor confidence and lead to a more stable long-term growth outlook for NIO. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade action. On the same day, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup once again assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal indicates that the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at levels of $4 and $3.83. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal derived from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, with the stock having decreased by 4.41% since then. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is identified. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 12 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 45 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago, the relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 17 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago, the relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 12 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 2.96%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.22%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 22 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.44. If you do not already own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.98. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade took place on the 24th of February 2016 when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sell of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.93, reflecting a decline of 4.69%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain or accumulate their positions while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of May, we anticipate NIO will open unchanged and begin trading at $4.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.